I think parasites are really interesting. They're some of the most acutely adapted organisms on the planet. People think about parasites and they're like, ew, gross, but I think that they're really pretty amazing. The fact that they're able to live in other organisms and depend on them, just like we depend on plants and animals. Just because we don't live in other, plants and animals doesn't mean we don't depend on them for resources. I'm studying Ichthyosaurus verticalis, or the eastern fork-tail damselfly, which is native to Oberlin, and actually it's the most common damselfly in Ohio. I'm looking at the parasites, specifically Gregorian parasites, and two things about the parasites. First, how they're distributed within the populations and how they affect the fitness of the populations. Oberlin is great because it has that liberal arts aspect where you're able to practice certain skills that can be applied in tons of areas. My classes in history and philosophy and math have prepared me to think about science and write about science just as much as my science classes, and think critically about my results, about my data. I think that the lab experiences here are excellent. My name's Ben, and I am studying damselfly parasite ecology at Oberlin College.